Oh.
Look at that thing now.
Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. I'm over here at Give a Key RV, and we're tearing into the front of a unit. I'm with, if you guys remember LZ that used to work with us. I'm over here with Don and...
Yeah, look at that. Look underneath too.
Whoa.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Look over here, right above your head.
Oh yeah. So it broke all the, that's it. It broke all the lag bolts that hold it to the frame. So it'll be the lag bolts back behind here.
Yeah.
That broke through.
All the way.
Yeah. All the way, and it just flat out tore that sucker. So he the owner of this said that he had hit something.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah,
And
I told him, I
that's
said
what
maybe he went
caused
off
it.
road and tweaked it, or
Yeah.
something went off road. He had a full load.
Yeah. Well, I said this basically this is tack welded
that's
in
just a
place,
little tack weld, yeah.
and that's just strictly to hold the wall on when they're building it in production.
Yep.
To have it secured to it,
Yeah.
before they put the lag bolts. So that broke all the lag bolts probably loose, Don,
Man, that's crazy.
or at least tore the heck out of them.
Yeah.
And you can see where it has been moving quite a bit.
Yeah, bouncing on the road.
Yeah. Because that didn't fatigue, like the cracks and stuff. That didn't fatigue in just one incident.
Yeah.
After it broke, it's been sitting there doing that.
Yeah, it did a clean break too.
Yeah.
They must have hit something. It was a big impact.
And it looked like it hit the up in here too, the aluminum that joins the front cap wall. Crazy.
Yep.
So as you're seeing this video, it's not just all about frame flex from like we're seeing on the factories. This one's actually compromised because of an impact. Yeah, and so that's the weight's back down on it.
Mm-hmm.
But you can even see the spacing of the floor.
Yeah, exactly.
All the way across.
Yep.
Did it crack that other side over there in the opposite corner?
No, it didn't. Just that one corner.
And if I remember right, this thing was a 2022.
Yep. Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Well, everybody, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, Don, Eric, and LZ, or Zach, for your RV specialist. So, if you have any paint and body shop stuff and you need to have it done, give Don and the guys a call over here at Give a Key Auto Body. They're here to help you. And we work together on stuff and always have. So we're here to help. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.